Ever wonder how some channels instantly grab your attention? It's often their intro. A powerful YouTube intro sets the tone, tells new viewers they're in the right place, and makes them want to stay. Learn how to craft an intro that defines your brand and grows your channel. A little planning saves hours of editing. Start by defining your intro's purpose. Introduce your niche, set a mood, or tease your value. Keep it focused and concise. Aim for a target length of 30 to 60 seconds. Rarely go over 60. Your intro should be fast, engaging, and memorable. Brainstorm key elements like your channel name, a quick clip, a tagline, and a music sting. You don't need expensive software to create a professional intro. Many free and low-cost tools are powerful and beginner-friendly. Look for options with templates, simple timelines, and easy export features. CapCut is free, fast, and offers great templates with no watermarks. Canva provides free intro templates for quick text and logo animations. iMovie is excellent for Apple users, offering clean titles and transitions. Music is crucial for setting your intro's vibe. The YouTube audio library offers free, safe music and sound effects. Pixabay also provides free images, videos, and audio assets. Always check license notes for attribution requirements. Match the music to your channel's tone. Upbeat for vlogs, minimal for tech, or soft for educational content. Start by defining your message and writing a short, punchy script. Gather your assets: logo, colors, fonts, and music. Record a clear voiceover if needed, using your phone in a quiet room. Build your timeline by placing music first, then aligning visuals. Add titles, simple motion, and subtle sound effects. Polish the audio, ensuring your voiceover is clear, then export at 1080p. Your channel evolves, and so can your intro. You can easily update or change your intro video in YouTube Studio. Go to Customization, find your intro video, and click the 3 dots to modify it. This flexibility allows you to refresh your branding or highlight new offers. It's a simple way to keep your channel current and engaging. A strong, captivating intro boosts retention, defines your brand, and builds trust from the first second. You now have the steps to create a YouTube intro from planning to final upload. Keep it short, stay true to your channel, and refine it over time. Start today. Write a one-line promise, pick a music sting, and build a 7-second draft. Subscribe to Inspire to Thrive's channel for more social media tips and tricks.